Sunny sides up with green beans and bacon. For this breakfast we need eggs, green beans, bacon, cherry tomatoes, spring onion, grated cheese, olive oil, mayonnaise, pepper and salt. Pour olive oil to the pan. Cut leek. Fry it until golden crust. Cut green beans. Put in the pan. Fry and mix. Cut cherry tomatoes. Add more olive oil. Add a bit of mayonnaise and mix it. Put tomatoes and mix. Add sliced bacon. Mix gently. Add eggs. Salt and pepper to taste. Put cheese on top. Cover with a lid and leave for 1 minute. Serve it nicely. Enjoy it! Buon appétit!